Hey, what's up guys, this is the Orange Hustler for another review video. So today I will talk about the PrimeApps. In this video I will show what is the PrimeApps, the sales page, the live demo, the pros and cons, and a lot of informations you need to know and the must know about this product. Without any further, let's get started. First of all, what is the PrimeApps? PrimeApps, as the name suggested, is an amazing bundle of 10 premium apps that will skyrocket your traffic, sales, conversions, and profits while saving your thousands of dollars down the line. So here in the sales page, stop paying pesky monthly subscription fees to sub-peer services. Brand new 5-in-1 bundle of breakthrough apps including Prime Virtual, Prime Ecom Store Builder, Prime Speech, Prime Proof, and Prime Business softwares that drives free traffic and sales on 100% at just low one-time fees. So basically guys, this is the sales page. You can scroll the sales page and see a lot of informations you need to know about this product, and there is only 2 steps to use the PrimeApps. Step number 1 is activate it. Activate all the software of PrimeApps bundle, and step number 2 is only enjoy massive monthly saving traffic, leads, sales, conversions, and profits with easy install app. So basically in the sales page there is a lot of informations about this product. So now I will show you just some features of the PrimeApps. 9-in-1 premium apps bundle to increase your profit to next level. Hook your website visitors and convert them into long-term customer. Shock your website visitors and convert them into long-term customers. Every app is unique and packed with their advanced features and functionalities. Easily create and share traffic, boosting virtual 3,600 videos anytime, anywhere in just one click. Set up your own fully fledged e-com store with your own logo, 10 payment gateway, and without any hosting in just minutes. Save thousands of dollars on voiceover artists by converting any text into natural human-like voices in your preferred language and accent with just a push of a button. Quickly create a multi-level portfolio websites, V-cards, VEC, which UCAR code on the fly to maximize your profits. Work in any niche, pulls in thousands of people every day from any industry, market, or demography in no time. 100% newbie-friendly, absolutely no tech skills required. Step-by-step video training, and of course 30 days money-back guarantee. So guys, this is just some features of the PrimeApps product. Now let's see the PrimeApps from inside. Like you see, when you log into your account, dashboard is very easy and easy to use. This is the statistics. Like you see, everything here for simple. This is the menu. This is the virtual tours. You can create ones, and there is also there is a done for you ones created by the creator himself. You can edit everything here on the product. This is the preview. So basically you can customize anything on this Prime Virtual. Sorry. So this is Paris. So basically this is the music library. So let's back to the dashboard. Here the store builder, the e-com store builder, like you see. Also you can customize everything you need here. It is the domain section. This is the theme section, and this is the site settings. This is the payment, which is the payment of your store, the gateway of your store, the WhatsApp, the store email, and this is the store, the preview of your store, which is very awesome. It's pretty similar to the Shopify stores out there. This is the add to cart button, like you see. You successfully add this item to your cart. This is your product. The third product is the Prime Speech, which is the text to speech product. Here the languages, the language, yes, and this is the text. You can copy and paste your text, choose your volume, your speaking rate, here you can download your speech, or you can preview it before you download it. So the app number 4 is the Prime Proof. So here click at the create campaign, choose the name of your campaign, your domain, install the pixel here in your head, like you see. It's very simple and anyone can do it. So this is the demo. Create a notification, choose your option here. You have the informational coupon, live center, email collector, latest conversion, and a lot of options. On the right you have the preview of your option. So like you see, you can customize everything here. This is the trigger, the display, the customize, and the data. So like you see, this is the demo. Here the statistics of your visitors. And the app number 5 is the Prime Business. Also the Prime Business have a simple to use dashboard and interface. So like you see here the themes. There is only 2 themes you can choose from. The QR codes, which is good for your business. The V-card management, which you can add new ones or just use the done for you ones. Like you see the dashboard have a lot of options you can use. Now for the price, so you will get the Prime Virtual, which is the 360 virtual tour video software, value $295 a month. You have the Prime Ecom Store Builder, world class e-commerce store builder, value $297 a month. The Prime Speech, top-notch text-to-speech software, value $197 a month. The Prime Proof, brand new conversion notification software, social proof software, value $97 a month. And finally, the Prime Business Profile and the Business Page Builder, value $97 a month. Total value of all this is at least $1,083 a month. You can get it today for just $67, no monthly fees, just one-time pay, no monthly fees. Hopefully, wish my honest review true about the PrimeApps. I really hope it did help you with your buying decision. I understand the decision of taking out $67 one-time price is not simply made, but this investment is profitable and for a sustainable business, and your investment is guaranteed safely thanks to the 30 days money back guarantee found without any question asked. And PrimeApps is not any hype, but is a legit product and which allows you to send unlimited email to unlimited subscribers without any limitation or paying any monthly fees ever. I highly recommend it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I would much appreciate it if you use my link, the link of the PrimeApps, in the description below, and I would much appreciate it if you use it because I will get a small commission. Thank you guys and see you on the next video.